Ever lost their ambition? Will lie wide awake, waiting for it to call. Zombie through the motion. I turn a corner and I hit another wall. My better half's gone missing. What happened to being 100 feet tall, man? Let my vices control me, and that ain't how you get the life you want. So why is that? Just when I've gotten past it, something's there, conveniently placed for my distraction. Like your whole mind comes to a halt, thinking, why can't I not keep this motor rolling? Well, I didn't wanna push it too much and then fall. Way back then I would've thought, long as that money rolling in, I'll be fine and steady flossing. But Papa said stay very cautious and feeling boxed in. And that's right around when I got caught up. Couldn't write about nothing, lying down, thinking how the fuck will I conquer? So I tried